I'm Eleni, and I'm here to help you cultivate courageous kids. Socio-ecological theory is a framework used to understand how various factors at different levels of society interact to influence behaviors and outcomes. When it comes to bullying prevention, this theory can provide a comprehensive approach that addresses the issue from multiple angles, on an individual level, an interpersonal level, a community level, an institutional level, and on a societal level. By addressing bullying at multiple levels of influence, socio-ecological theory provides a holistic approach to prevention, recognizing that an individual's behavior is an influence of a complex interplay of social, environmental, and cultural factors. We are here to help your child and their school with my Noko bus bullying, school assemblies, professional development training for teachers, and workshops or coaching for parents. DM me so we can start the conversation and start this new year courageously and confidently.